to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful henna design. And henna is what we wear on festivals, and this is the cone. So for this you'll just need some henna and someone to do it on. So let's begin. So we're going to start off by making an oval shape in the middle of the back of your hand, or whoever's hand you're doing it on, like this. So now we're going to make a smaller oval in the inside. And now we're going to move on to the next step. And now we are going to create a lattice in the inside. And now we're going to move on to the next step. Now we are going to make small lines in the frames of the mirror. Now we're going to do the flower border for the mirror. Now we are going to fill around the fingernails. And this is our henna done, and this is what it looks like. And I hope you can give this a try, and I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your hennas if you're going to do it, and I will see you very soon. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.